because some of them are horrible. Like they made me cringe so hard, like I want to puke right now.
Good morning, guys. So let's check our weight. Okay, 84.1. So 84.1, pretty good. Yesterday was higher on carbs. So today is gonna be a pull day. My breakfast is gonna be the same, oatmeal thing. I like that. That's why I keep telling you what I am actually eating. And yeah, so Happy New Year to you guys. It's already 2022 here. So I'll see you guys later at the gym. Hey guys, so I'm at the gym. It's the first workout of the new year. It's currently 9/19, January 1st. So yeah, it is a new year, nothing changed, everything still sucks. I'm just kidding, alright? So it's a great time to work out because most people have been partying yesterday. So there's like barely anyone. There's like literally, I think, 2 people at the gym. This is amazing. I love it. Well, we are gonna start the same way we did last week and go for real delt raises, standing real delt raises. If you don't feel comfortable doing it standing, you can also do it seated, okay? So it doesn't matter. So let's go. Done with the lateral raises. Now we are gonna move on to chin-ups, alright? Like last week, 3 sets of 15. I'm still gonna be doing it with body weight, alright? Done with chin-ups. Now we are moving on to my favorite exercise, as you know, 3 sets of 20, alright? Now the additional exercise that we are going to be adding for today is the parallel grip pull-ups, okay? And we are going to be doing 3 sets of 12 on this one. So we are done with those and we are moving on to biceps. This time we are going to be doing straight bar barbell curls, okay? And with these ones, 3 sets of 15. By the way, the reason why I'm using these big bars is that it's not because I want to look cool or anything. It's because when I hold these bars, the straight bars, the regular ones, you know, the ones that we usually commonly use for like, you know, doing curls, make my wrists uncomfortable. But these ones, for some reason, I don't know why, it just feels more comfortable for me. So you can try it out and see. Maybe you have the same issue or maybe you find the other ones more comfortable. So it doesn't matter as long as you do the exercise. So the reason why I'm doing these is because when I grab these like this, it makes my wrist and my forearms more comfortable, all right? So we're done with everything. We're gonna be moving on to our traps and we're gonna be doing the same thing that we did last week on the first pull day, which is 1 arm Smith shrugs, all right? So we're gonna be doing 4 sets until failure. First workout of 2022 is over. So I'm gonna see you guys later at recap, alright? Take care. Peace.
So it is recap time. It's the first recap of 2022. It was a pull day today. The workout was fine. It was, of course, more difficult compared to last week's because we have an additional exercise that we haven't done last week. So we increased the volume that way, alright? So that doesn't mean that our weight loss is gonna increase as well because we've already been in this for 12 days now. So it will not necessarily increase our weight loss in terms of the amount of we are losing. But it is gonna help with the whole adaptation aspect of things, okay? Because we are carrying less weight now. So even on the most basic way, when you think about it, for example, you used to weigh 200 pounds, now you weigh 180 pounds. So by default, you're spending less energy because you don't have to move around these 20 pounds that you used to move around in the past, okay? So this is why when I'm adding these exercises, it doesn't mean that it's gonna speed up our weight loss, but it's gonna kind of like get it into a balance, all right? So I'm still gonna continue with 2,600 calories, nothing is changing. Other than that, tomorrow is active rest day, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. As for tomorrow also, I'm gonna be doing intermittent fasting, just as I did last week, okay? So just to be able to decrease the amount of calories that I'm consuming, but I'm gonna talk more about that tomorrow again, just so that you guys know what I'm talking about. Also, a suggestion for you guys, I mean, it's a very important thing. Please, please, please watch these active rest days, okay? The active rest days are the times that I actually spend the most amount of time talking, and they are the most important ones if you want to actually learn something, all right? So make sure that you watch those days, okay? Those are the important stuff you don't want to miss. Aside from that, so in YouTube, I can actually see what kind of content my audience watches. So guys, like you're watching, the stuff that you're watching, you know, it's horrible. There's like so much fake stuff. I cannot believe, I was so pissed actually, like earlier today. And I wanted to make videos like talking about stuff that you guys are watching and dismantling those videos, because some of them are horrible. Like they made me cringe so hard, like I want to puke right now. Literally, like horrible stuff, like so much misinformation, false information is unreal. I don't blame you. So what I was gonna ask you is that, do you want to see me dismantling some of the fake stuff or false information stuff that you guys been watching? Because I don't see that a lot of people who dare to touch those channels, because they have a massive audience. So it's more like a cult following kind of audience, and most of my audience also watches this kind of stuff apparently. And I think a lot of the people on YouTube they don't want to touch those channels because it might destroy their own channel. You know, like if like 10,000 fanatics of those guys that I dismantle come to my channel and like dislike everything that I have, it's basically like game over. So so I'm not sure about it, but we'll see. I really want to hear from you guys, what do you think? And aside from that, yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, share it with your friends. This is a 6-week challenge. So, and also because it's the new year now, I'm sure you've done your New Year resolutions. It might not be New Year as of I'm recording this for you, but it is going to be. And please, 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 if you have this as a New Year resolution, go back to day 0 and start over. Watch everything, follow everything that I'm doing day to day, and I guarantee you results, okay? So subscribe, like, comment. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, thanks a lot for watching.